feedback from Aiden in the weekend has always been happy about the car. So he was more focused on how was his driving style, trying to understand through data what he's been doing right, what he was been doing wrong. No big complaints on the race, and felt the car good. Since the beginning of this year, I've seen a massive improvement from him in state of mind, commitment and effort in the work that he's bringing on during the weekend.
My name's Becca, I'm Aiden's sister, and I'm doing front of house this year for BTCC. So yeah, I'd look after the guests, take them on the grid, serve them food, just make sure the guests are having a good time and know what's going on.
Donington's a special place for us. We got our first ever independent win here, our first outright win here last year, and then this year we've got the first time I've ever had 2 podiums in one touring car weekend. It's hard not to make it one of my favourite tracks with the record that we have here. That last race there was so little grip on the rear. The safety car lap was kind of throwing it sideways every corner just to try and generate some heat. You can't really feel it in the tyre, the temperature dropping off. But it's the same for everyone, so you've just got to make the most of it and try and get them working. I believe we're up to 6th now, which is the highest we've ever been in the championship. Obviously it's early doors, but it's still an improvement nonetheless, and a positive thing for all of us at Laser Tools Racing. So yeah, we've got to lift our sights. Race 1 today. I think a year or 2 ago I would have been a bit more aggressive in the first lap, thinking about the win. Today I thought about the points, keeping the car on the road and trying to get a bundle of points, and the fact that included 2 podiums was a very nice bonus.